Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on measurement exercises part 2. This video is a continuation of the videos that I've presented. I have revision exercises just to help you with all the different strands. This is the first slide. I'll leave it on for 10 or 15 seconds as always. You can leave it on for as long as you want. You can pause it at any time and leave it on for as long as you want to give you time to answer the questions. And here is the second slide. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the next one. And this is the third slide of questions before we move on to the answers. And here is the first slide, which will present the answers. Have a look at it carefully, pause it, and check if you've got the correct answers. This is the next slide with answers. And this is the last slide.